Oh, hi. How you doing? I am super excited to show this to you. Our junior ADU is finally done, and if Linda can't find me, this is where I'm hiding.
What's that? This is my
What?
hiding spot.
Both of us are hiding here. Good things can come in small packages. Proof's in the pudding. But I'm actually talking about the JDU. It's completely transformed, and I love to show people that you can do a lot with a small space.
Sorry, did you just call it the JDU?
Junior ADU.
JADU.
Fancy lingo to make me sound cool. Welcome to our JADU. Get inside, let's go. This isn't really Linda and my style. We want it to pop a little bit more. We want it to be fun for guests to come and stay with us. So we're gonna strip things back and start fresh. This is a massive fireplace, and if you have a peek on that side of the wall, that's the fridge, the laundry's at the back there. If I'm opening any of this, things are getting really tight in here. I don't like that. Linda and I are gonna open up this wall here, all the way back right about here, and we're gonna put in an island. That'll give us lots of storage on the bottom, a lot more usable space on top, and I think it's gonna make this whole space feel more open. Island seating, donate this. I don't mind some of the shiplap. I don't mind some of the wood detail on the ceiling, but we do wanna find some ways to make it pop. So we're even thinking of wallpapering the back wall over here. This is a bedside table. It doesn't belong in a living room. We're gonna clear everything back and start fresh. Welcome to your home away from home.
Who's home? Who are you talking to?
I don't know. So this used to be my mom and dad were the ones staying here all the time. It was sort of this updated country vibe because that's what my parents wanted. They lived on a ranch. They lived up in the Rocky Mountains. They just loved that cowboy country lifestyle.
Martha came from off the farm. Ran right up, jumped in my arms. I said, "You're coming home."
That wasn't our style though. We wanted to create almost like a boutique hotel kind of vibe. We didn't want to just have white walls and white cabinets. We just wanted something with a bit of personality.
Yeah. This thing here, this was not here before.
Originally, there was nothing, it was just a wall. If you go to flashbacks, there was a giant wall here and it really cut off the kitchen and it was so closed off into where there was a pocket door to the laundry room. So we thought the best way to make this more our vibe is to open it up. Added
We have storage under
storage here. We have extra seating along here. And then we also enclosed the laundry in here. Originally, this was a pocket door right next to the fridge, so everything here over has stayed. And then here to this side, we built to match. And then this was the fireplace wall, gigantic fireplace wall. You have to reimagine a space, right? Don't renovate with where the walls currently are if you can move things to make it a better flow. Function is just as important as the style.
And also be okay with the house never being done.
I know.
I think I've just accepted that.
It drives
will
me
never-
nuts.
Does it?
It does.
I thought it brought you joy.
No. Improving the spaces brings me joy, but when a project drags on and drags on and drags on and drags on, that bugs me. So I will throw Linda under the bus.
What?
There are a few decisions that take her time, like this lovely wallpaper. We have our friend Kate that came over and she did all the wallpaper and she's amazing. Finally, Linda landed on the right one that she wanted and we picked it out. It looks great.
So much to choose from.
There is so much to choose from.
So
This.
many pretty options.
This was also part of the challenge. We didn't want to just throw money out the window because we already had nice materials. So we kept the floors. We kept the majority of the cabinets. We did a new countertop because the old marble countertop, we didn't like it how we had to be so cautious. Day one we had it stained by a glass of water on the counter. We wanted this to be easy, comfortable, stylish. So this is zero maintenance. It's nice, dark and moody.
Yes.
What were you
Dark and
saying?
moody, just like you.
Just like me.
I think we also had to like skin graft the floor.
We had to basically feed in some boards to match the floor from here to there. We couldn't get any more of this flooring, and unfortunately, we couldn't find any leftover pieces. So we lifted up our kitchen cabinets because we ran the floors all the way under, and we took some of the flooring from there. We don't have any flooring underneath the island, and we also don't have flooring underneath this piece here.
So we were able to
we
piece it
patchworked
together.
it to make it
Anyway,
look
details
seamless.
nobody cares about.
But you don't know these things. Exactly. This is just what you see are beautiful floors because we had plenty. The open flow is so much better. We reduced the size of this wall where the fireplace was. We didn't need a fireplace, it was electric. And so it gave us an opportunity to still have a decent sized TV, the built-ins, a walkway through here. This island adds a ton of function. By the way, it's stylish and it's forehead friendly. Piper is right at the height where she hits the bottom side there. Parker, he's good. This was our friend Hart. He did the full renovation with us. We could have just gone for a similar shaker style door like we have over here, but instead, Linda was inspired by
The Fibonacci sequence.
the Fibonacci sequence. The rectangle within a rectangle within a rectangle within a rectangle. I love the design on this cabinet. Kudos to Hart and his team. They were able to make this look exactly like what Linda was envisioning. Oh, that artwork, original to the house. I drew that
It's called Schmear.
by Piper and Parker. No, that's Parker's design. When we reduced the size of this wall for the TV, we actually also reduced the size of our sofa. We had that sofa bed that was really big. Linda found this amazing piece with that nice deep tone, the wood feature as well on the arms. It's stunning. Everything about this space is so much more my style than the original space.
I can actually reach the floor now on the sofa.
Yeah.
Before I was just like swinging my legs.
Yeah, you're like a little kid sitting at the counter looking for ice cream. The area rug too makes a big difference in each space. Here, Linda found something that picked up the color of the sofa and the wallpaper, and it just really fits the space. It's also not too big. People like to go the entire floor wall to wall with their area rug. I think it's still nice to see the floors when they're this nice.
So when would you do like full wall to wall?
In a playroom, it's nice to have a bigger rug because the kids have a soft surface. If you have really rough floors, it's good to do a larger rug because you're hiding something underneath. But in here, these floors are in great shape, so why not showcase it? When you step back here and you look at this space compared to what it used to be, it does blow my mind.
Yeah, and I'm glad we got rid of the fireplace.
Nobody uses it. It was just there for my dad to play with the buttons, boop, 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 when he was in here. Shall we take it to the bedroom?
Oh yeah.
So in here, it was more of just a refresh because we weren't looking to rip out the storage, we weren't looking to change out the door. We also wanted to work with the window coverings that we had. So we did wallpaper, new bedding, a bench, and some side tables.
Bed's the same.
The bed frame is the same.
Are the same.
Parker loves this bed. The poles are a lot of fun. Compared to before, this wallpaper completely changes the mood of this room.
Hold on, let me climb up.
Yeah, this bed is more my height than Linda's height. This place is gonna ebb and flow with us as well.
When we have guests coming over, we like to put pictures of them.
Yeah, a little photo of them in a frame right here. And the colors in here are very different than the colors in the main space, but it doesn't feel like it's disjointed. It feels like these rooms have their own personalities, but they're all part of the same family. Linda has her little station for writing. We found that bar cart at an estate sale. We actually have pieces throughout the house that we mix and match. So we had that in the theater room for a little while, and now we have it up here.
Yeah, we're always moving things around.
I mean, that's what life is all about. When you have a house, it's fun to play with it. It's sort of like when you were a kid, you had a playroom or the sandbox. As an adult, you have your house. You should be able to play with it, whether you rent or own. Mix and match things a little bit, find ways to have some fun and make it your own. Share your comments below, let us know what you like the most, and click that cute little button because we want you to subscribe and catch all our other transformations.